Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Florida Girl Vibes. Today I'm very excited to share with you my recent purchases. This is my favorite brand, L'Occitane, and I always get it as a present for my friends, for my family. Today I got it for myself completely, and I'm excited because I finally went shopping at the store and got everything, and I got this as a present. Oh my god, it was so good, and it smells so well. Oh my god, I can't even explain it to you. I want to show you everything I picked up. I just genuinely love this brand a lot, and I love this body care. I love the way they pack everything. It is just 10 out of 10. It is my favorite skincare brand. If you never heard of this brand before, let me just tell you just a couple of stuff about it. I think it is a very interesting story. This brand was founded in 1976 in the Provence region of France, in southern France. The idea behind the brand was to create skincare and the body products inspired by nature using high quality botanical ingredients. And you should understand that that area of France is very famous for beautiful nature, for beautiful flowers like lavender fields. That is why they probably gave it to me. So this product I got at the shopping mall, but you can order it obviously on any platforms, different packages and so on. You can order it on Amazon, on TikTok shop, whatever. Doesn't matter. It is always 10 out of 10. I honestly love this brand because it gives me such a French countryside feeling. And if you're gonna smell all of these products, I can't fit everything on my video, but that is the packaging and that is how it looks. So all the packaging, that is another ones whatever I got. I do love all of the natural ingredients. I do love high quality botanical oils and different high quality ingredients. So it is basically inspired by the region that person was living in. So it is very down to earth and very important to understand that. And now it is sold all over the world. I love this story and I will never be tired of sharing that. And people love this brand. A lot of people, especially in America, I live in America at the moment, so people love it a lot. Every time I walk into one of their stores, it smells incredible. It feels more like walking into a spa. And everything looks so beautiful, so well organized and everything. So let's just talk whatever I bought. I want to go through each product and just share with you. This was packed like that. So this is the packaging. This is a rose perfumed shower gel. I usually don't get anything too smelly, but I'm obsessed with this rose smell. It is just so good. Oh my god, it is so perfect before you go to bed. It smells so sweet, so romantic. This is a great present idea. This is my another box. So this was another one, another product, lavender home and body. So I do love lavender a lot, and I feel like lavender is such a great ingredient. That is how my flowers looks, and this is all about lavender. I love these smells a lot, so I got small packaging, but I always upgrade it. I always get more, and I feel so peaceful when I use it. I love ingredients and texture. This is a perfumed body lotion. Look at the texture. It is not too liquid. Look at the texture is amazing, moisturized my skin, and I always have it on me. I love it. I don't even use perfume. I just use this skin oil and skin body lotion. This is also an amazing perfumed shower gel, which I use all the time, and this is special pillow mist. I love that it is not large, but I have large one also at my house. I have the whole collection of these products. I think I have everything they have in their line because I always buy everything. And this is special perfume which smells, oh my god, it smells so good. Imagine, I loved the shower gel, I loved the cream, and I decided to get even this spray which smells, oh my god, I love it so much. This rose is just 10 out of 10. It is so good, especially shower gel and this perfume. Oh my god, what an amazing line. And I love my bags. So this is my first bag, and all of the bags, they give me a lot of stuff. So overall, I would give it 10 out of 10. Highly recommend you all of this. And the way they just give me such a great energy, such an amazing feeling when I use it, and very grateful for this brand. So In case if you like it, I'm gonna add up links in the description. You know how it works, that there are different stores you can buy obviously these products. There are different products from this brand, L'Occitane and Provence, and I always recommend you to start with maybe trying different products. Go to the store, try to grab a couple of it. Maybe you like something, maybe you will choose something for yourself, but I know that everything works for me. Any cream for the face, any shower gels and all of it, look how beautiful it is. And the texture and everything about these products, just 10 out of 10. So please follow my channel and write in the commenting section if you ever in your life tried to get it for yourself or for your relatives, if you love this brand. I love this. They have such a signature ingredients, and I love that ingredients come from that area. And this is lavender is like a symbol of the brand, which is also, when I see the lavender, I always think about this brand. And for me, shopping, it is all about how I feel about it and what I think about it.